Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and today we're going to look at what crystals we can use to kind of repair the aura if you feel that you've been under psychic attack from anybody. So let me just come and get the camera and I can show you what we've got there. I'm just going to move it around onto the bed. So in the centre here we've got this lovely little shell, and the reason that we chose this shell was because of all the talons that are actually coming off it, because we felt that using our mind we could actually visualize that these talons would actually start working and they would knit the holes of the aura back. And helping to do that, we've got some selenite there. Selenite's really good for auric repair. And if somebody has been ill-wishing us or sending us any kind of psychic attack with their thoughts, either intentionally or unintentionally, it can cause us to have holes or tears in the aura. And it's really important that we actually repair these holes to stop any negativity from actually settling there. So what we've done here is we've got some snowflake obsidian, which is close to the shell. The shell is representative of you and your outer casing, and so we've put some snowflake obsidian really close to the shell because that's a very gentle protective stone. And then we've got the selenite, which is going to do the auric repair, and then on the outside here we've got black tourmaline. And the reason we've got black tourmaline, it creates a protective shield around your aura, stopping anything else from getting in. So just to recap, we've got the shell helping the selenite there, which is going to knit the holes in your aura back, and the snowflake obsidian is going to protect your inner aura there, whilst on the outside protecting anything else from getting in again. Whilst this is doing its job here, we've got some black tourmaline. And what I'm waving around you is just a piece of sage. Here we've got a big piece of sage as you would buy it in the shop, and you can see it's kind of tied together with some string there. And all I've done is unwrap the string to make it last longer. So I've got a little piece of what's been held together in that bundle. And then I've taken a little leaf off that. So I've just got the leaf by itself. And what you do is you just light the leaf, and you got a little flame there, and you just wave it gently until it starts burning, and then you wave it about. Now then, what I'm doing is I'm circling the sage all around the black tourmaline just to reinforce what I wanted to do and to cleanse everything. The smoke will create a smoke screen around you as well, stopping anybody else from actually seeing you. So I'm just doing it both ways. So I'm going around clockwise and then anti-clockwise. And it's still got the same piece burning here, still smoking. And if you didn't want to use smoke, you could just use something like some crystal cleansing mist. And you want to probably run some sage over it, probably round about once every 1 to 2 days. And you can leave the crystal grid up anywhere in your home until you feel that you're no longer under threat. And then you can take it down, keep all the crystals, either you reuse them in another grid, or you can put them away in a bag so that you can use them the next time you actually need them. So my name is Gay from spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk, and if you want to know more about crystals or to learn crystals online, please visit our website. And you can actually buy this complete grid on the website as well, and you should find the link at the end of this video on the written part underneath. Thank you for listening. Bye.